You said it, son. Ghost and I are 10 mics out. Let's bag this bastard. Out here.
Makarov threatened the airport and he hit the stadium instead.
It's a fucking lot, man. Civilians are everywhere.
I'll check your shots. We'll have a lot of unknowns inside.
And Makarov?
You heard the order. ROE still stands. Take them away.
Stop!
Right, get out of there, go!
Christ almighty. Watch it! Close one.
Still in one place.
Fucking hell.
This is chaos. That's what Makarov wants.
Police up ahead.
They're going fast.
They're killing civilians! Contact!
Return fire!
Police!
They'd have access to the VIP area.
From the third floor, let's move. Contact! Top of the stairs!
There's clear. Concourses up ahead.
Stairwell's on the other end. It'll get us to the third floor.
Contact front!
Gold Eagle, Bravo 6. We're internal and pushing to the VIP area. Be advised, Inner Circle is posing as police. Over.
On target, Archer.
What's it up?
Run! Go!
Clear them out fast. Move it up.
Fuckers are using grenades!
Stay down.
Gun through the shop!
Shot, coming. Coming. Clear. Secure the stairwell. We need to reach the upper floor.
Run, go!
X-ray down!
Third floor's our target. Take points out.
Moving on the stairwell! Two down on the stairs.
Next floor, Sergeant.
X-rays down. Exit's locked.
On it.
Executive level. VIP area's close.
Well, let's get in there.
Clear.
Eyes on the VIP area.
Got movement inside. Stay sharp.
On you, Sergeant.
Hands! Show your hands!
First responders, don't shoot!
How did you get in here?
Security! Security let us in.
Who are you with?
Please, we are trying to save
Shit, I
lives.
need help over here. Soldier, help, please.
Stand fast,
These
Sergeant.
people need to get to a hospital now.
Secure!
Sergeant, you broken?
Just a plate.
Check it. They had explosives. This was the next target.
Gold Eagle actual. Explosives located in the VIP area. No sign of Makarov.
Copy. Make it safe. Locals set up a cordon so Makarov will have to exfil fast. We're 10 mics out. Don't let him escape, son.
Close it up.
The garage.
The phone.
Secure the explosives, then get to the secondary exfil. Good eye, Sergeant. Pull! Eyes peeled for Makarov. Check fire. That's a civilian. Get to safety. Go.
Echo incoming.
Get to cover. It's down. Move to secure. Hands! Hands!
Kazuruki! Bleeding Jesus. It's him.
Vladimir Makarov, get out of the vehicle now!
Nice and easy. That's far enough.
Now don't fucking move. Search him.
You scared, Captain? You should be.
Shut up.
Get on your fucking knees! He's clean!
You're going to kill me.
Oh, I thought about it, yeah.
I recommend you do.
And I recommend you tell your men to stand down.
You're not trained to stand down. That's more your strategy.
Keep him close. All stations, we have Makarov moving to the extract.
Roger that, John. They'll fight to get him back.
We're counting on it.
All right, take him left. We clear these vehicles, we move up.
Roger. Get going!
Clear!
Move!
Keep Makarov moving. Don't take your eyes off Makarov.
You're walking into a trap. Think you just walk me out of here?
I can drag you out as well. Move.
Capturing me. It means nothing.
It means we beat you, Vlad. Go.
Contact! I've got Makarov! Return fire! What's up?
Сергей! Маша! Бросай молотов! Бросаю молотов! Врагу хана! Так им всем!
Contact!
Иду вперед! Иду в укрытие!
Contact!
Удалось зацепить врага! Меня зацепило! Их здесь двое! Мимо! Я продвигаюсь! Лука!
We clear?
Affirm.
Grab Makarov, let's move. So, take him.
I'll take him.
It's not safe here. We need to move.
You're not safe anywhere.
Go. Your luck's running dry, Makarov.
I don't believe in luck. I believe in planning. Bad luck? Just poor planning.
Well, part of your plan includes rotting in a prison.
Right the way through, Sergeant. Let's move.
I bestow my blessings on your courage, but curse your stupidity.
Look, worry about yourself.
Every man is replaceable. Even me.
Move.
Christ, you're not a soldier, you're a war criminal.
These people need medical.
What's stopping you from helping them, Sergeant?
You.
That's your choice.
You did this, not us.
The innocent people.
No one is innocent. War is treachery.
Enough of this shit.
Through. It's clear. Visual on the exit. This way.
Move your ass. Time for you to meet some friends of mine.
What are they?
Said move. Close.
So are mine.
You should know when you've lost.
You're still thinking about victory.
Incoming! Up on Makarov. Clear him out. Contact rear.
We're clear.
Get on the gate, Sergeant.
Lift it. Other side, Vladimir. Move. Gold Eagle Actual, we're external. East side of the stadium. What's your status?
Bravo 6, we're on station. Be advised, you have enemy personnel moving in from the north. Ghost will provide sniper support.
Copy. We'll meet with the primary exfil. 6 out. I'll handle Makarov. You clear a path. I've got Makarov. Move up. Secure the area, Sergeant. Let's get to exfil.
Drop one, watch one. Making the shot. Next right down. Center. Next right down.
Продвигайся дальше!
Watch right.
Мимо! Там кто-то с
Watch your left.
Меняю магазин! Ищи укрытие! Меня ранили!
Target's on your right. Firing. Target eliminated. Firing. Target eliminated. Engaging. They're down. 5 threats remain. That one was mine. On to there. One threat still down there. Take your right. Dusted him. We're clear. No visible threats. Moving up with Makarov.
Bravo 6, we're inbound to the HLZ now.
Another copy. We're moving. Let's move. Let's move.
Simon Riley. I expected you to stay at the airport and die there.
If you want to live, do not threaten my men, Vladimir.
Are we on first-name basis, Herschel?
So you know names. Anyone could read a bloody dossier. What's the rest of your plan?
This.
What do you mean, this?
Amazing. You're all dumber than you look.
I asked you a question.
And I have a question for you. What time is it?
What the hell do you care what time it is?
Timing is everything, General. I think we'll all remember this moment. Some more fondly than others.
The airport!
He pulled us off target!
You fucking son of a bitch! I'll blow your fucking brains out, you if you hear me. I swear to God I'll do it.
Do it, come on.
You shut your mouth!
Let me finish him.
John, we have him. He's in custody. He's not going anywhere. Stand down, Sergeant.
I thought you were the good guys.
You gonna rot in hell for this.
You'll die in the gulag with the rest of the Russian rats.
I'll be seeing you again, McTavish. I promise.
I shouldn't have stopped you.
Was the right thing at the time, Captain?
At the time.
Secure transmission, Pentagon ID.
I will give a clearance. I'll go. No, Nick, stay.
Kate, let's talk.